Hi guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. So on today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can make iced coffee in Heartopia. So to make iced coffee, first you need to find the cooking mentor, Masimo. You can track him in the map, and once you find him, you can just go straight to the stove in here and start cooking. Or if you don't have the material, you can talk to Massimo first and go to the cooking store and buy the ingredients needed. Okay, so once you do that, once you have all the ingredients, you can just here click on the stove, and let's say I'm going to make the iced cup coffee, and I have all the materials, so I'm going to just click on start cooking. Okay, so you can just wait until the coffee is done. Here you need to adjust the heat level in the process so that it doesn't burn. Just click on it when there is the a warning about the heat level. Okay, it will be done in seconds. Okay, so now it's done. Click on it, and now you just create an iced coffee. You can open your backpack to see it. Okay, so I've already created two. You can edit it, or you can also share it. So that's all for me. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and also click on the thanks.